gender, and the VO2 max. Okay, so the entry is already given there. So that's how SPSS makes our work easier and possible. So we are going to click again the analyze, the regression, and the linear regressions. And then we are going to go to the case number, uh, the VO2 max, click the age, the information needed, also the weight, the heart rate, and the gender, and then go to the statistics and click the estimate, the confidence intervals, make sure the level is to its 95%, the descriptives, the model fits, the parts partial correlation, culinary diagnostics, and also the Dortin and the case-wise diagnostic. And then click continue. Okay, and then you also go to the flat and then click the histogram and the normal probability and then continue again. And click the save. We are going about to click the following if it as needed, like of the as you can see there, the un standardized, studentized, and so on and so forth. And then click continue. Okay, so the entry is shown again through the data view or the variable view. Okay, so you can see here the correlation, the regression, and the following ANOVA coefficients, solitary diagnostic, and the histogram, and so on and so forth. Okay, so everything is prepared. That is how SPSS is being helpful to us students nowadays. And then in this, we are going to go to the file and click new, the data, and the following. So we are also going to go to the chi-square test. Okay. We have here the intervention and risk level. Okay, so make sure to check the following and everything is done there perfectly. So we will go to the variable view and see the entry, the name type with decimals, labels, values. And then in the values label, you are going to click and then type 1 for the value and labels, or what is needed, and then click OK. And then always check the following: the missing the columns, align the measurement and the rules. Again, for the measures, you are going to uh, click the nominal or ordinal, and then you will go back to the data view, and then go to the analyze. Analyze descriptive statistics and the cross tabs. Okay, so we were going to transfer the label for cholesterol and the types of intervention to the row and the columns. Okay, and then we will go to statistics, and then click the chi-square, and then click continue. Okay, for the cross tabs, we have going to click also the observes, uh, observe expected standards, the round cell counts, and then uh, the purpose here is to check whether the data is okay. So expect they are to be checked to make sure the entry is already checked and keep well. Okay, so and then if it is done, you just click OK and then continue. So here we have here the following: the table, the case progressing summary. We have here the label for cholesterol risk and the chi-square test. Okay, so you can see the following entry. Okay, so go to the analyze, and then we'll go to analyze, and then we go to the descriptive statistics, and then the cross tabs like the other